If you want to get the Samsung Messages app on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all, we need to open the Galaxy Store. Unfortunately, you need to have a Samsung account to be able to use the Galaxy Store. But once you have access to Galaxy Store, you can use the search option in the upper right corner and tap on the search field at the bottom. Over here, we're just gonna type Samsung Messages. There we go, and then you can start searching for the app. And of course, here it is. You can use this arrow to download the app, or you can tap on the app itself, and then you can use the install button here. Once the app is installed, you should be able to open it either by using the open button that will appear over here, or of course you can go to the app drawer and you can open the app from here. Now, of course, once you get the app, you might want to open it to make sure that it is used by default, because usually we use the Google Messages app. So if you prefer to switch to and use the Samsung's Messages app, then you will have to tap on OK over here once you grant permissions, and then we need to switch to the Messages app over here and then set as default. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.